All right, John here. So I'm making a coolant temperature sensor electrical connector. The old one broke off for the 300E. Just crumbled, 30-year-old car. So what I found, I've done this before. I don't know if you can still get that connector. I don't know, maybe from Mercedes, but for, I don't know, $5 on Amazon. I'll leave a link. You can get one of these right here. It's a trailer plug connector for trailer lights. And you just cut it down the middle like this, like that. And then attach the wires, crimp them and all that stuff. And then you got a plug to plug back in. Right now I just have these kind of wimpy wires. Anyways, I want to do it. There you go. Fits perfectly. Look at that. Yeah, you just cut it right there. Get rid of the other part. These are a little big, so you just take some pliers and I use needle nose, just squash them a little bit. And then it fits right back on. And it's pretty snug. You want a good connection, and then just splice this in. That way you got a plug, because I keep unplugging this thing doing testing on the car, and I'm mangling it. Another one's broken, so yeah, $5. You got a good connection. Yeah, these are the old connectors. You go right there onto that coolant temperature sensor, right down there, and now this will be like. It'll be like that. Good and snug. It's got to just do a little bit of soldering. I'm going to put another 1,000 ohm resistor, just like that. There it is. 1,000 ohm resistor, just like that. That lowers the temperature. It makes the cooling fan come on earlier. Instead of 105 Celsius, it'll come on at like, I don't know, 90 or 85 or something like that. All right. There. Got the resistor. Got the plug right here. Hopefully the air cleaner will clear it. It should. Then I can plug it in on and off when I want to without mingling it too bad. $5. I'll put a link down in description for that thing. I've used it a couple times on these cars when some of these pin connectors disintegrate in your hand. And now it fits. Or it's easier to work with. I can pull a pin instead of trying to put these little horrible little right there like that. Not the prettiest, but I got my 1,000 ohm resistor in there to turn on the high-speed fan at a lower temperature. And that's yeah, $5.